Mother here. Last year I got an EMP shield. This year I got a Jetboil Flash for my birthday. And we're gonna give it a whirl today. This is supposed to make coffee in 60 seconds or less. Hot water for my coffee in 60 seconds or less. Let me be specific about that. So, I'll take it all apart. It's very nicely packed. It's our coffee strainer. There's the powered jet power, is what they call it. There's our controller and stand. Little cup. And we'll use these with our strainer. Alright. Let's put all this together. Alright. Start with the stand. It's got little notches in it for your fuel source. It just clips right in. Nice and steady there. And our controller with the igniter is going to go on top of our fuel source. Like so. Just hand tighten. Alright. Okay, so you can see this. This is off. You hear it? And our igniter right there. Look at that. First time. There you go. So. Alright. No yellow. Looks good. So we're going to add our water to our Jetboil. Can't see it, but there's a max fill line about halfway down in here. Okay. And this locks on. Little grooves there. There we go. Alright. And now, turn it up. Let her do her thing. Holy cow, listen to that. Sounds like a jet, doesn't it? Alright, today, we're going to use Warrior Poet Society coffee. This is a medium blend called Parabellum. We love Warrior Poet Society. It's got the little tab there, makes it easy to open. I'm going to follow directions here, John. It says tear here and breathe deep. Very nice. Very, very nice. Listen to that sucker go. There you go. And nah. Let's make this some neck snapping popping. I just want a James Brown Java. Holy cow, look at that. I may have overfilled it. So we have our little tool here for our coffee. Boy, it didn't take long, did it? Our strainer. Oh yeah. Forgot an important piece of this puzzle. The lid. Give a little bit of room there. And down it goes. Does it turn orange? Look at that. Can you see that? That means that it is to temperature. So now, off. And we pour. Oh yeah. Get that steaming hot cup of Java. Fogged my glasses. That's how good it is. Good. Wow. That and this. On a good old day, cold day, doesn't get any better. Thanks for watching. I got miles to go before I sleep. Boy, that is good. Holy cow. I think I filled it too much.